In this video, I will show you how to add keyframes to the video or picture. So let's get started by going to the CapCut, select new project. Let's delete this part and now select the video or photo which you want to keyframe. Then apply keyframe at the start by clicking on this icon and one keyframe in the end. Now zoom the picture. And as you can see, you have applied keyframe, but now we need to add effects to the keyframe. So for that, select the clip and click on the grabs and apply the effect you want. For me, I would choose this one, and as you can see, it is successfully applied. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.